Hello, welcome back. Today we're doing my curly hair routine. So let's start off. This is the Living Proof Curl Definer. Love this stuff. I usually use about 4 pumps, and I'm just going in and evenly distributing the product, just scrunching for a couple minutes. And before I go in, I just make sure my hair is almost dripping wet because it'll help avoid frizz later on when we go in and dry the hair. Then you can start to see the curls will start to form, and then that's when I know I'm ready to kind of move on to blow drying. So before that though, we're gonna go in with a heat protectant. This one is by Gisou. I love this one. And then of course more scrunching. I grab my blow dryer with the diffuser, and then I'm just going in with medium heat, and I'm blow drying but also scrunching while I go, just to really reinforce those curls. And then I'm also adding in little blasts of cool air as we go. And I like flipping my head upside down and then also to each side to make sure I'm not missing any pieces. And it also adds a bit of volume. Once my hair is about 85–90% dry, I will put away the blow dryer and just do some more scrunching to really set those curls. And the final product I use is this Wow, I believe this is the 1 Minute Miracle Cream, and this just really helps with frizz because I live in a very humid area and we gotta keep that frizz under control, okay? Here is my hair afterwards. This is the routine, pretty quick, pretty easy. Let me know what some of your favorite curly hair products are. I'd love to try. Thank you for watching. Okay, love you, bye.